Morning.
Ekta, hi, good morning. So it seems pretty bad, and I just want to make one point. I think we were talking about how volumes have been low, and look
Yeah.
at volumes so far on the cash side. It's about 6,000 crores. You derived that volumes by the end of the day at this rate would touch about 18, 19,000 crores, which is
Yeah.
closer to about $3 billion or so. Now that by no stretch of imagination is actually a low volume kind of a day. I mean, it's actually a very good volume day. Last Friday, we had a 3 billion cash volume day, and that was led by the FTSE rebalance. And after that, we've been kind of dipping 2.5, 2.3. I mean, the last 3 days this week. And today, it looks like it's going to be another 3 billion day with no FTSE rebalance or block deals or anything of that sort, at least not so far. I mean, I'm, of course, assuming the same rate of volume activity for the rest of the day as well. So I think that is an important day. What that also, in a way, means is that there seems to be cash selling which is happening. Yesterday, I looked at the F&O data. There is a lot of shorting. I mean, across the board, there is a fair bit of shorting which is happening. But it looks like today there is a fair bit of selling on the cash side which is happening. I was listening to Uday and he made an interesting point about Bharat Financial. The point that, it was at, 500, 550 in the month of March. It went up to 900. It's back to the March price. There is an important conclusion from that, and I've made this point earlier as well. When you get scared that you're not essentially going to be able to preserve your gains, you start to sell. We've not had that problem so far in the market for a while. I mean, you do get that problem in big market dips, but at least so far we've not had that problem. I mean, imagine you bought something at 500, it goes to 1,000. And it keeps correcting. It's at 700, 600. Your purchase price is still lower, but you'd like to preserve some of the gains that you made. I mean, is that that's a powerful kind of propeller for you to act and sell. I mean, it's possible that that is also underway. A little bit of that is underway, at least on the HNI side, etc. I mean, institutions by nature have the imperative to be in the market. I mean, they get handed over a lot of money, and we've had mutual fund managers, CEOs and CIOs, and they've been saying that the rate of money that they are getting from the retail and HNI community is actually as strong as it was in November. November was very strong. 9,000 crores was the number for November. So this could be, I mean, HNI led activity, some institutions, and of course FIIs. As we were discussing yesterday evening, I mean, now FII flow is what is important but completely unknowable in terms of what's going to happen. And it's also, of course, triggered by all that is happening in the US and how Mr. Trump and his administration could change things around. So I think a whole lot of stuff out there. But I think, as you said, the November low of 79.16 remains important. So keep your kind of eyes glued to that number. We are exactly round at 8,000 right now. Let's get some